Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. Please stay connected with us. What is life insurance and how does it work? Ask the most people what life insurance and they shall tell you it is policy you buy that pays money to your family and you pass away. Ask them to explain the policy feature, that the different kinds of policies available, how they work, and they will probably try to change their subject. But if you are looking for insurance, those things are important. This article will help to answer your questions. What are these key features of the what is the life insurance policy, and what are the key features? A life insurance policy is an agreement between an insurance company and a person. Each life insurance policy is a different type of the uh, this is interrupting us. Actually. And policy is different, and each state laws regulating and insuring policies are different. In general, most insurance policies identified the following: the insurer. Only certain companies can provide the life insurance, and these companies are they regulated by the state insurance departments. And the policy holder. So the person or the entity such as family or trust or business which owns or holds the policy can insure the holder, or it can insure other person. The insured the insured, the person whose life is insured. The death benefit. The amount of the insurer will pay when the insured person pass away. And the benefits: the people are the entire entities that will receive the death benefits. It can all go to person single person single person, sorry, and is surviving, suppose, or it can be divided by the percentage among many different people and the entities. For example, three children could each get 30-30, and 10% go to the charity. The policy length. The time period when that the insurer agrees to pay a death benefit. This can be a specific term, 10 or 20 years, or it can be agreement, permanent policies that lasts for the last life of the insurance policy, as long as period paid. The premium. The monthly or the yearly payments needed to keep the policies in effect. The cash value. And permanent life policies is the whole life insurance policies have cash value components built over time and can cash out or borrowed against. Term policy has no cash value. What are the different kinds of the life insurance policies, and how do they work? There are the two basic types of the life insurance: term and permanent life insurance. A term life insurance policy provides the coverage for a specific period of the time, typically between 10 years and 30 years. It is sometimes called pure life insurance because unlike permanent policies or the whole life insurance, there's no cash value component to the policy. Once the one term is over, there is nothing left. Permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance provides the coverage less than you are already, unlike term. It is not a pure life insurance product because it includes cash value components, which helps make coverage last value while insured while the insured alive, and the premiums are paid, and while in providing other financial benefits. A portion of your premium dollars grows tax deferred over time, but the entire the death benefits is immediately payable for on the first day of you have the policy. The cash value, on the other hand, may take some years to build up next significant amount. Thank you.